So, do you want to communicate with confidence? Let's start today. This week is your English learning pre-activity, and it's all about introducing yourself in English. Using the introductory card here, you will record a 1 minute video, or you can just practice this. And when you have completed it, please comment done. So, what will you be doing? Please write your name, where you're from, or something about your location, your job or hobby, one interesting thing about you, and why you joined this English course. Now, if you feel that these questions are too personal, just write a couple of sentences about yourself that you're willing to share. And please remember to comment one of these sentences in the chat. So, why this activity? It will help you to improve your speaking skills. It will help you to build confidence, and then it will help you to practice real life communication. So don't worry about being perfect. Just speak clearly and be yourself. You can write these down if you don't want to record yourself, but the aim is for you to hear yourself speaking. So make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, we are here on a weekly basis and we are ready to learn. Thank you for joining us. Bye bye.